Meaning of Marburg disease.
Marburg disease. Marburg disease.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A rare and severe viral hemorrhagic fever caused by the Marburg virus, characterized by symptoms including fever, headache, and bleeding. 2. A disease caused by the Marburg virus, characterized by symptoms including fever, headache, and bleeding. Examples. 1. In 1967, an outbreak of Marburg disease occurred among laboratory workers in Marburg, Germany. 2. The World Health Organization reported several cases of Marburg disease in the Democratic Republic of Congo in 2000. Note: the Marburg virus is a member of the Filoviridae family, which also includes the Ebola virus.
Marburg disease. Marburg disease.